What to pack for your Galapagos trip? Make sure your passport has a validation of at least 6 months after your departure date from Ecuador. Health insurance will also be requested by the immigration officers. At the Quito or Guayaquil airport, you'll need to pay $20 for the transit control card. And at the Galapagos airport, you'll need to pay $200 American for the entrance fee to the Galapagos Park. Both payments are accepted in cash only. Bring some extra for your daily expenses. Not all places accept credit or debit cards. Let's start with some clothing tips. For daytime, you can wear shorts and a loose, comfortable t-shirt or tank top. Bring 1 or 2 pairs of light pants, a light sweater or sweatshirt, and you might use them for your domestic flights and perhaps during cool nights at the ocean. For some excursions, it'd be a good idea to have a breathable waterproof rain jacket with a hood. I would also recommend taking a couple of bathing suits, as they won't get dry easily due to the humidity. Make sure to bring lightweight hiking shoes with good ankle support. Teva-style sandals are also useful for wet landing on the islands. The beauty of the Galapagos Islands and the abundance of wildlife will have you snapping photos at every turn. So bring enough memory cards, extra batteries, and of course, your charger. Sun in Galapagos is really intense, so you'll need protection like polarized sunglasses, sunscreen, and a hat or a cap. If you're prone to seasickness, consult about medication with your doctor. Do not forget to bring your regular medication, also as you need to feel good in order to enjoy your trip. Bring a light and small sport bag and a reusable water bottle for your visits to the islands. So with these tips, you're ready to go.